Welcome back to another book review. Today we're looking at a catalog from Thompson Center, America's Master Gunmaker, also known as TC. This is their 2011 catalog, catalog number 37. As we can see here at the very bottom, it's listed as a Smith&Wesson Company in 2011. Looking at the back cover really quick, you can see a collage of previous covers, all 36 of them. That's kind of neat. Contact info at the time. Feel free to research current contact info for Thompson Center Arms. And product offerings. Now this is a rather large catalog, so I may not be able to cover everything, but we'll flip through it nonetheless. We can see here we have opening statements, table of contents, and you can see there's quite a bit of items, so at least we'll get that covered in the table of contents there. Specification statements, disclaimers, etc. from 2011. And you got a welcome statement here. They kind of highlight some of the new items for 2011. You can see here Impact with Weather Shield, ENCORE Pro Hunter also with Weather Shield, the Venture with Weather Shield, the Hot Shot, and then ENCORE Pro Hunter Signature model. We also had some stock photography from individuals. And then getting into here, we get a little bit of information on some of the aspects of TC Arms, some of their features like this 5-hour rifling, weather shield, stuff related to the mechanical aspects, data charts of the specific 30 TC cartridge, a little bit more on weather shield and how it's applied throughout their bolt rifles, as well as their actions, like the icon, continuing with the icon. And then as they go through each model, you can see they'll go through data tables. So I'll try to keep it at this location here. We have the Precision Hunter, the Warlord, the Venture, Venture Predator, Venture Weather Shield, ENCORE Pro Hunter. You see different options here. Pro Hunter XT, Pro Hunter, with different sub-models here, setups. There's a slug version. And then you have this ENCORE shooting system, so you can see you can configure your item specifically the way you want. Data tables associated with that as well. Here is that signature model, and then single shots. We can see there's a lot of different configurations you can set up your item with, including these hand guards, forends, buttstocks, etc. Also single shots, whether it be rifle or pistol. And then we get into the G2s for a bit here. Now we're into contenders. And now we're into the muzzle loaders. Here's the Bone Collector Triumph series, the Magnum muzzle loader. Here's the Omega. Z5, also an Omega. Then we get Impact, Northwest Explorer, the Hawken, that's very traditional style there, Flintlock or Caplock, and then the Hot Shot, the 22 long rifles with lots of accessories. stock photography from individuals. And then we get into some of these specialty rounds from Thompson Center. The Shockwave and Super Glide. Copper Crusher, XTPs, Mag Express, Shore Fire, Cheap Shot. Again, Super 45 in that corner. You can see different profiles, projectiles. And then the accessories for muzzle loading, cases, tools, lots of them. It just goes on for pages and pages. Here's cleaning supplies specifically, more tools. And then you get into other accessories such as apparel. And then sign up for the newsletter. And a website for the apparel at the time, and a website for TC as well. But this is from 2011, so feel free to research current contact info from Thompson Center. This has been another book review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.